What's up, crypto world? Crypto Snake is here, and today I will show you how to buy Synthetix network token SNX in the United States. Synthetix network token is listed on multiple crypto exchanges. However, due to regulations, not all the exchanges allow the United States citizens to buy SNX. For instance, on Coinbase I get this message: SNX USD trading is not available in your region. And with other exchanges such as Kraken, you won't be able to buy SNX right away. It will take you about 3 days to transfer money to Kraken in order to purchase SNX. It is a bummer because SNX is a highly volatile asset and I don't want to wait for 3 days. I need it now. So after testing multiple crypto exchanges, I found out that Gemini exchange is the most convenient and the fastest way to buy Synthetix network token in the United States. In my case, California. You won't be able to withdraw your SNX before your funds are cleared, but you will be able to buy SNX right away. You just need to register on Gemini, get verified, and after that you will be able to buy Synthetix network token. It took me just 5 minutes. So let's do it step by step. Step 1. Go to Gemini.com. Step 2. Hit get started and create a new account. You will need to add your mobile phone and confirm it by entering your SMS verification code. Step 3. Open Gemini email and confirm your email address. Step 4. Add a funding source to start trading. I added my bank automatically by signing in using my online banking credentials. Step 5. Open the exchange homepage and find SNX under DeFi assets. Step 6. Put your order details and click Review Order. As you can see, Gemini transaction fee is $7.45 and your SNX will be available for withdrawal in 4-5 business days. That's it, guys. I placed my buy order and now I can see my SNX balance on my portfolio page. Also, please do not forget to verify your identity. It is a standard KYC process where you will need to submit a copy of your ID and enter your address. I hope you enjoyed the video. Submit your topics using the Telegram group and subscribe to my Twitter. Both links are in description. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you later. Bye.